Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from Fiverr. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search in Google Fiverr and open the first website. Once you've done that, you simply need to click on My Business, and here you need to click on Earning, and here you can see that I have balance of $180. Then you need to click on Withdraw Balance, and here you have different options. You can register your PayPal, register your account, or you can transfer to your Fiverr revenue card. Click on that, and then you need to click on confirm and withdraw. Once you click on that, your amount will be transferred to your Fiverr revenue card. So this is a process by which you can withdraw money from Fiverr. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.